Okay guys, so we got this LED parking light and I'm super excited to put it by our basketball hoop. So I'm actually going to go ahead and open it and show you guys what it looks like up close. It is absolutely ginormous and I cannot wait to get this installed so that we have better lighting while we actually play our basketball outside. This product is amazing. It is so well put together with die casting aluminum. You can tell that it is absolutely perfect for outside. As you see here, it does come with a dusk to dawn built-in sensor. The grooves here you see also allow for heat to go through and make it so it does well in the heat. Check out these lamp beads. They are awesome. I cannot wait to see it up because it is going to be so perfect for our basketball area. One of my favorite things is the versatility of this light. It can be used on a square rod, a round rod, or even put up on the wall, which is what we decided to do. Here you can actually see where it actually adjusts, so you can move the light up and down or out so that you have better light.
It's so bright. It's so bright. It's the brightest ever.
Not having a street light by our house, this is so perfect. It gives enough light not just for our cars, but it also makes it safer for our kids to see while they're playing basketball.